Fellas, don't forget to tip your dancers. They're not working for free. This is Turquoise Q, Part 2. We're going to go back into the 369 mathematical fingerprint of God. So what you can do with it is fun stuff like doubling, having powers of 10. You could also relate it to the Hebrew alphabet and a torus and how you move around. So if you were to look at like a Rodin coil, it's a donut. So you can get all the letters of the Hebrew alphabet from a donut or from a Star of David, which is actually kind of interesting. So this pattern, it works on multiple scales, multiple levels. You can flip it, twist it, do whatever you want with it. But the fun part is when you get to the triangles, because when you get to some triangles, well, then you can start moving around, quote-unquote, the grid, apparently. And it's funny how 3, 6, and 9 keep popping up in the way that you move throughout the, I guess, the Enneagram is very similar to the numbers that pop up when you're trying to move in different powers at different angles along these very polite triangles. So these polite triangles turn into polite pyramids, which is really, really interesting because it's a square made up, like if you had a 42, 42 square, well, you'd have a 41 triangle and a 42 unit square, and that would give you your 42, 42. So that's really kind of interesting. But what's more interesting is also that you can do it with like a 40, 41. So, yeah, it's whatever discrepancy. As long as it's one is one more than the other, then you're solid. You're good to go. And yeah, it's a lot of triangles and spirals. How do triangles relate to curves? Are they modular? I don't know. Maybe. Could be. Are they not? Fermat's last theorem. Anyway, thanks for considering.